This is a 1 terabyte external USB 3 hard drive that doesn't work anymore. So I took it out of its case, and what's on there, I have photos I need to recover. And these photos are irreplaceable. I need these photos, and the hard drive is dead, so I have to do a hard drive recovery to get my photos back. Now this is a little unorthodox method. You've probably never seen this before, but it works. I've tried it before, and it works 100% of the time. So once your hard drive is removed, never do this with a brand new hard drive. You'll screw it up. So grab the hard drive in your hand, get an end of a screwdriver or a little hammer, and tap it on each side. There, just like that. Now proceed to open it up. Like I said, these photos are irreplaceable, so recovering them off this hard drive is a must. And this method is a true method. It will recover all the photos, no problem. And there you are. My photos recovered off a dead hard drive. My truck, that plane I was in, my office, one of my other offices. So anyways, that is my method of recovering photos of a dead hard drive.